Hey guys, it's me Katie, and today I'm going to be playing Airplane Story 1, and then I'll play 2 and then 3. I want them to come out with 4 though. Okay, well let's go to the next one then. There's actually 1K playing, or a lot more people playing. Oh, this person has a baby! I want to see the baby. Oh, that's so cute. Can you see it? I really like her avatar. That's really cute. I really like the outfit, by the way, too. Sure. I just really accept anybody for friend requests. Sorry, my cat's here. I had to pet her. Sorry. Where's my seat? Oh, 6, 7. 7. Maybe it's on this side. Okay, it's all the way down here. Okay, it's this one. There we go. Perfect. Okay, we're sitting down. It's a little nice. Oh, sorry, it is nice. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 5760, I think I said. We're currently flying at the altitude of 3, I don't know, feet above the weather. Looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time looking at our destination. I'm sorry, this is really fast. Feel free to explore the airplane. My throat is dry, so it's kind of hard for us to talk. Her outfit is really cute. Oh, I really like her top. It's so cute. Oh, maybe she sits next to me. I really like her outfit. No, sorry. Oh, we can explore. I forgot about that. Sorry. What? I think you need to get multiple. Now, please find your seat as we were about to cross an area of high altitude. Turbulence, sorry. Oh, sure. Is there anyone else up there? I think you need to buy a game pass or something to get up there. That's fine. I like back passenger. I'm just gonna say, what? I think it says oh, cause it's only, hello everyone, the crew members. Oh, I got a sandwich. We'll be delivering delicious sandwiches to everyone. Serve the food. Oh. Mom, I'm recording a video. Huh? I'm recording. Oh, I think someone got food poisoning. I'm not feeling very well. Good. I didn't eat it. Well, now I can eat it. Wait, this sandwich has mayonnaise. Mayonnaise? I'm allergic to mayonnaise. Oh, that was the first person. That was like person who was up there. Oh no! Quickly, we need to find it. Baggage for medicine. Let's go. Tee. Oh, is that it? That's not it. But where's mine? Where's my bag? Where's my bag? Oh, I found it. I found that. Oh no, it wasn't. That was a close one. It was. I said it was. Now, good afternoon to all passengers. Sorry about my voice, guys. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Whoop, whoop. This gonna be fun. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. It's gonna be fun. I guess it's nighttime now. Go look out the window. There's nothing there. I wonder if they actually did the precise detail. No, I don't. Okay, that's fine. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We'll have a few hours to go. Okay. Just gonna stretch. Just gonna run it up, down there. I'll jump sometimes. I want to go back here. What's back here? There's a button. A number code, I think, or something. Okay. They've lost energy. Well, energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look. What is it on the right wing? At least I saw. What? Huh? Oh. At least my seat. Well, my seat is right here. What? Ooh. You will not survive. Are those the ones that snakes? Wait, there's snakes. Oh, heck no. Is the bathroom unlocked? Can I go in the bathroom? Yeah, once I got up there. Is some under me? Once I actually did get up there, it was kind of fun. But I can't get back up there anyways. The bathroom unlocked. Guys, there's an open restroom. Where is it? Which one is it? I'm in. Okay. Just stand up here in the corner. Yeah, I thought something was shaking. My screen is shaking. Hello, lavatory. Welcome to my lavatory. We are safe, hopefully. If I see all this, will make me higher. No, it won't. Okay, anyways. Yeah, I can swallow. Oh, that was scary. We should discuss what is happening. What the heck is happening? Yeah, I guess. Sure, why not? I have nothing other to do, so wait. Oh, I wasn't gonna go back to my seat, but okay, thanks. Power is back up. We can see that myself. Is he still there on the wing? I don't see it. And those snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Yeah, it's all creepy. Yeah, please let me back in. Your attention, passengers, I have good news. And bad news. And bad news. The good news is the power is back up. She really comes dancing in my seat like that, though. The bad news is that we're losing a significant amount of oxygen. Wait, what's her name? Oh, well, why did I just lose? Where's the gas masks? Oh. Take one quick. Where? I didn't see it. It didn't pop up. How many people are gonna see? Well, I gotta find her quick. No, she left. Oh. That's fine. I'll just play again, guys. Well, I'll be back when I get to that part. Well, when I'm in the restroom, I'll speak of you guys again. I meant speak to. Sorry. Bye. Okay, guys, so I was the first one to the bathroom. This girl just got after me, this one, and this girl. So we're waiting for the rest of the people to come. We have 13 seconds left. I think they're just scared to come. Or they all died. Nice. There's a lot of people. Oh, guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly. We'll be safe from there. No. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Well, yeah, but you know, you're not live, really, so. I don't know what's gonna happen next. I'm kind of scared, actually. Oh no, I do know what's happening next. Dun, dun. I think my sister made me a little too skinny because she was on the phone, and I think she got my her box account and then me a little too skinny. It's great. So I'd go fix it after. It's great. Oh, this time's only enough. This one, two. No, that's not the side. The power's back up. That's good. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. A creature on the wing is also God. Creepy. You know those ones little view that's like you have a really high chance of talking. Your attention predators have a good news and bad news. That's great. The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is eons. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Well, take one quick. Oh, oh, this one's over here. I have one. Yeah. Does she have one? No, she doesn't have one. Oh, maybe there was one up here. No. The mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. I'm sorry. Right. At least I got one. No, I'm not redoing this map, so. Okay, well. Oop. Okay, anyways. Oh my God. What is this? What? I don't understand. What? This looks like a bomb. Wait, what? Where? What are we gonna do? What bomb? Where? Okay, everyone. Calm down. Wait, I want to see it. Oh, it's on me. Let's see. Well, I'm trying to save myself, but I'm talking. You found a pair of scissors. I found a pair of scissors. And those are. Yeah. Which cable should I cut? I think it's always red. No, I'm gonna kill myself. Oh, great. Bye-bye, peace. Peace. Yeah! She tried to kill me. Yeah. Yeah, about that. She tried to kill me. It's kind of rude, though. Wasn't it? Yeah. We haven't heard a crew in a while. We should go look for them and check if everything's, I think cabin's up here. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go through. Oh, she just left. Wow, so rude. I know why, though. Okay, it's 7878, I think. Because in the last part, I checked. Hey, I'm scared to do this alone. Please. Yeah. Gotta please just let me in. I'm here. Cabin. Maybe it's down here. Maybe. Let's go look. Why not? I found them. They're unconscious. Oh, well, they probably died because they didn't get masks. We need to alert the captain. Quickly, get to the captain's room. Okay. It's locked. I know what to do. What's a different code? I found the code. Please, please, I want to save. Am I here? Okay, yes, I'm here. Oh, heck no. Heck no. It's the creature. Heck no. No, no, no. You will pay for what you've done. Oh, well, you see, I'm ready to run to wherever. You think you are here on an accident, but you're not, okay? Thanks. I've brought you here. Good, I guess. All of you. Well, you see, there's only one of me left, so, you know. That is not possible. It could be worse. I just want to take a flight to LA. It is not, and now, time to die. Do I just run? Ooh, I think I ran. See you in the afterlife. Well, where do I go? Oh. Oh. I don't have to run. The captain is unconscious. I don't know how to drive a plane. Danger, danger. The plane is falling. What are we gonna do? Hurry, I read fast. So sometimes I read fast. Try to click these buttons. We need to find the autopilot button. But what if we click one that really wasn't it? Okay. Click everything and find that button before we die. Okay, I'm ready. Good. What is this one? This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh, this one, this one. I found the button. I guess it was this top one. That was kind of easy. Smooth sailing from here. Wow. We did it. We saved the plane. Great. Good. Great. Good. I don't know. It has been a very crazy fight. I just want to be home already. Well, I'm talking to myself. No, I want to talk to you guys. How are you? How was your day? I'm glad I didn't press any of these buttons because, you know, Charlie, you at least could have put it in one of these rows. I didn't know all these buttons for. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Oh, I know where that is. That's down here. But Charlie, found it. Peace. Peace. Hello? We need help. Help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? No, it's just me left. Everyone died. Yes, we're okay. The autopilot mode is on. Yeah, I found the button. I think my mask is gonna fit over these glasses though. We've chased your location and we will taking control. Good. Now get me home, please. Please. There's one last task I have for you, but someone needs to keep the plane on track. Oh, that'd be me. I'm just gonna do this. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot side on the captain. Aside the captain. Okay. Oh. Charlie, hi. Oh, oops. That was me. No. Why are you gonna do that? No, but I'm gonna put your name on this video. And I don't care. Oh, I can't put it on the screen. Okay, everyone. I got this. said I got this. Oop. It looks kind of like the person like from Outbreak. Oh no, it's back. And it's gonna kill me this time. How are you still alive, Moonlight 1? Because, you know, you're not really trying to kill me. So. But you, there is something about you. Yeah, there is something about me. Oop. Your energy does not let me kill you. Oop. That's kind of nice, though. It's actually really nice. I'm not going anywhere with you, monster. Oh, it's kind of solid to call someone a monster. I'm the chosen one. I'm not the chosen one. I'm the chosen one. I will come back for you. So what do I do? Crash the plane? Or land the plane? Crash the plane? Or land the plane? I can't believe I was the only survivor. Wow. The chosen one! Yeah! Oh, I think it's a different type of ending. If you're the last one alive, if you're the chosen one. I am the chosen one. Victorious. Victorious. Yes. Okay, guys, I was victorious. So now I'm gonna go change my my long legs and long outfit that my sister made, and which is disgusting. Why would you do this to me, Hannah? Since you guys already know her name. Well, I will see you in part 2, and then we'll do part 3. So, peace.